You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase correctly. If you want to learn more legal terms, names from the law and Latin that are very useful but too many people get wrong, stay tuned. I've got videos for you need to watch. Writ of, that's English pronunciation I'm going to say right here, Certiorari. Certiorari. Essentially, you replace the ti in the middle with sh. Okay. Now in Latin it would be certiorari or certiorari. Okay, but that's generally not how it's pronounced in Latin. It's two different pronunciations in Latin because you can interpret the pronunciation of Latin differently, classical or more modern. So in English, just remember, in English, writ of certiorari, certiorari, all right? It's easy once you know. Writ of certiorari, English pronunciation, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.